Hello, kids! In today's video, we're going to draw Bluey and Bingo. This isn't Bluey, she's putting together a puzzle. But one piece isn't here. Where did it end up? Bluey needs to help Bingo. There's only one piece left to complete the puzzle. Look how funny! The missing piece is stuck to Bingo's body. Bluey shows her where the piece ended up. They laugh a lot, and now the puzzle is complete. Cool! Let's color our drawing with the coolest colors. I love using all the colors and making the drawing very colorful. Our drawing is looking beautiful. How many colors? Wow! Amazing! If you also like Bluey, subscribe to the channel to watch the next video.